You guys must have paid attention to the fact that there is a recent news going around that Israel may have become the world's first country to deploy laser in an actual war scenario, meaning almost all modern countries have a laser system and many of them are in advanced field deployment. But if news to be believed, at this point in time, Israel will become the only one that has not only tested it but actually deployed it and against a foe where they have used it to kaboom a lot of cheap rockets, so to say. Now you have to understand that recently our world has been going through a lot of asymmetry, meaning swords have become much cheaper than shield, meaning Hezbollah can make hyper cheap rocket and kaboom you. Can you use an interceptor to intercept it? Of course you can. It's just that you are kabooming something that is $4,000 with something that is $20,000, meaning even if you do successful boom, you're gonna lose, and if it pass through it, you're gonna lose. So it's a lose-lose scenario. And again, Shahid drones and all that also represent the same thing. They are very long range, meaning a saturation attack can be timed in such a way that interceptors would be spent on them rather than actual ICBMs. Be mindful, ICBMs carry a lot more oomph. So ballistic missiles have a lot more oomph damage potential. So you would wanna go basically saturate the air with Shahid and then have some missiles for extra measure, because again, either Shahid does the job or missile does that. Defender will simply run out. So this created a very severe asymmetry. Russia-Ukraine war showed the world. However, laser unbalances it, meaning now the shield can be cheap and sustainable, because while a laser system is not super cheap, but it is becoming relatively cheap, and the energy cost of running it is far cheaper. Actually, it's cheaper than the anti-aircraft pew-pew that we used to use in World War II. So it's actually far more sustainable, meaning a long engagement can be sustained. So at this point in time, world is racing towards basically a system where we are entering the laser war era, meaning every Tom, Dick and Harry who has brain will work their ass off to deploy laser interception system as quickly, as numerously as possible. So the laser war has begun.